Welcome back, guys. You remembered the first thing we did is we created our pages. Basically, we created 3 pages, which is home, and we have the home, we have the blog, we have the about us. Those are the pages we created. And right now, what we want to do now is to try to get a theme. The next thing you are going to do is to get a theme for your layout. So what we are going to do now is to try to get a premium theme. Like I told you earlier on, we are having a default theme because we created a blank website. The first thing you see when you set up is there will be a default theme, and this is the default theme. So you can have themes deleted. I've shown you how to delete themes. If you don't want any of those themes, you can have them deleted, but I'm going to leave. There will always be one theme. You cannot delete this only theme, so there will always be a theme that powers your website. So we can get premium themes. I have a website created for my students and everyone alike that can access the website, so you can download premium themes. So what I'm going to do now is to go to my website. You could buy themes from every other places, but you can get free themes from me. You can always request free premium themes from me. So what you do is to visit Bilad Tech. I have a website called Bilad Tech. Just type Bilad Tech on Google. Bilad Tech. Just type it on Google, and here's my Bilad Tech. So you click on this, it takes you to the home page of my website. And here in the home page, I'm going to come to my resources. And here in my resources, I have different resources: the articles, the books, the courses, the plugins, the snippets, the software, the themes, the videos. So I'm going to click on themes. Then I'll be able to get themes right here. So I'm going to choose a theme to use right now. So I'm going to be using this particular theme for the purpose of this course. So there are a lot of themes you could access from here, but basically for the purpose of this course, we're going to choose one theme, and this is a Viva Builder WordPress theme. So I'm just going to open this. I'm going to open this, and I'm going to try to get the theme. As you could see, I could see download your free copy now. So I'm going to download the theme right here. So I'm going to click on this to download the theme, and here I am. So I'm going to download this theme right away. So to download this theme, all I have to do is to click on download, click on here, and I'll download it right away. And that way it's preparing my download. As you can see from here, it's trying to prepare my download. And once my download is prepared, I'm going to have it downloaded, then we can use this theme. So this is a way to get a premium theme, and this is the website you're going to get that from. I just showed you my Bilad Tech. As you could see, the theme is being downloaded, and here's the theme. So I'm going to have it on my system, and I'm going to have to install that theme. Remember, to access your themes, you have to come to appearance, and you'll see your themes, the themes you have on your website. So right now, what I want to do now is to check what I just downloaded out. As you could see, this is what I just downloaded. What I'm going to do now is to extract this. I'm going to extract this right now. I'm going to just click on extract all, and it extracts the theme. And here I have the Beaver theme itself. I'm going to click on this, then I'm going to click on this. Then I have two themes there. I have the Beaver theme and the Beaver child theme. So let's proceed to activate that to have it on our website. So I'm going to add new theme. I'm going to click on add new theme, and having to add new theme, you'll see the themes marketplace here. You can install any theme at your own pleasure. You could check them out and install any of these themes, but I'm not doing any of that. What I want to do now is to upload my theme. So I'm going to just use the upload theme. I'm going to choose my file, and I'm going to try to upload my theme. I'm going to just click on this, and I'm going to choose Beaver theme. Then I'll choose this zipped file. This is one of the themes. I'm going to just install this. I'm going to choose that file, then I'm going to click on install now. So to install a theme on, or an external theme or a premium theme on your website, is as simple as that. And that's what I just did. As you could see, I just installed that theme, and the theme is successfully installed. But once a theme is successfully installed, the next thing you do is to activate the theme. So here I have the theme installed. This is the previous default theme. I'll leave it. Then I have a theme to install right now. So all I have to do is to activate this. and you could check the live preview of the theme and see what it looks like. Actually, when you check the live preview, you get to see what the theme looks like without having to do anything just yet. This is a perfect theme for me, so I'm just going to activate the theme. I'm going to click on activate, and that way I get to activate this theme. So here we have it. I just activated the theme, and we got a premium theme from a website. You know the website already, bilatech.com. So we got the theme and we just installed the theme on our WordPress dashboard, and this way we are going to continue building this website as we proceed. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.